Hi everyone, my name is Kate. I am currently a case manager, but honestly, we're kind of called social workers for a drug and alcohol treatment court program. I assist individuals who are in the criminal justice system right now who are in need of drug and alcohol treatment. So I might meet with them in court, and I also evaluate prisoners who are going to be released to treatment and recommend their level of care. My experience with working with families prior to my current position, I was actually a family-based therapist. I worked with families and I worked directly in their homes, working with their family dynamics and their own family systems. I did that for about a year before I moved to Philadelphia, where I'm currently at. And I loved it. I absolutely loved it. It was a very, very hard job because I was working with kind of the kids where their next step was going to be replaced out of their home. So it was a little challenging, but I loved working with families, and it was something I've always been passionate about. So within my own family system, I am from a family system of like a blended family, I guess you could say. My parents are divorced. My father is remarried. My mom is still single, but I do have one other sibling, and so we're kind of a blended family that still gets together and are close. So it's kind of nice. The role I play is ironically kind of, I don't know if this is like the best role to say, but I feel like kind of the glue between my mom and my dad and my brother. I'm kind of like the go-to person for all of them. So I think that might also impact my work with clients and their families as being the go-to person when there might be an issue, but I always have to redirect. It was kind of the case when I was a family-based therapist. I was somebody that was able to be leaned on and talked to about their issues and might be able to support the problem, which is kind of the same role I play within my family. When I'm a family-based therapist, though, or working with families as a school social worker in the future as my hope, I'm fine with being that, but I also have to help redirect to make sure that I help within the system and that the family goes to one another for support as well. So that would kind of be my burning question of how to help that as the social worker or counselor in the family dynamics that you're helping with. How do you be the one to not, how do you help the family be the people that they go to rather than them coming to you as the support in the sense of finding the answer for them, I mean. That would be my hope in finding out throughout this course is how can I help as a counselor not be their go-to for a solution, to be able to work together to find the solution. I think that's something I'm still trying to work through. So that would be my question. And I'm actually really looking forward to this class. I have been my entire time here for Widener. I think this is something I'm very passionate about, and I'm looking forward to it. And I hope everybody has a great semester. Thanks.